In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a PDF contract generator in n8n. We'll set up a simple, reliable flow that pulls client details, fills a contract template, converts it to a PDF, and delivers it to the right place. To follow along, make sure you have an active n8n account. You'll also want a data source that can trigger the workflow, like a typeform submission, a row added in Google Sheets, or a webhook if you're sending data from another app. Finally, prepare a contract template. You can use a Google Doc with placeholders or connect to a template and rendering tool such as a PDF generator API or Craft My PDF. In your template, use clear placeholders for every field you expect, for example, client name, address, and price. So mapping stays consistent. This workflow runs in 4 phases. First, the trigger. Configure your chosen trigger to receive the data you need: client name, address, price, dates, and any terms you want merged. Test the trigger with sample data so you can see the exact field names n8n receives. Clean up or transform fields here if necessary, such as formatting prices or dates. Next, generate and merge. Take the incoming fields and replace the placeholders in your template. In Google Docs, ensure each placeholder is unique and spelled exactly the same in both the template and your node's mapping. If you're using a PDF generator service, pass a JSON payload that mirrors your placeholder names. Preview a test merge to confirm layout and line breaks look right, then convert. If your template tool doesn't already output a PDF, add a conversion step to transform the merged document into a PDF. Set the file name dynamically, for example, including the client name and the current date, to make files easy to find later. Finally, save and send. Store the PDF in a structured folder in Google Drive, such as a contracts directory with year and month subfolders. After saving, send an email to the client and your internal team with the PDF attached or linked from Drive. Include a clear subject line and a short message confirming the details. Add simple error handling or a notification to yourself so you're alerted if a generation ever fails. That's it. With these pieces in place, you have a repeatable, hands-off contract generator in n8n that turns raw form data into polished PDFs stored and delivered automatically.